Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. Look, if you're a student, a researcher, or maybe a PhD candidate who spends just countless caffeine-fueled hours hunched over massive piles of reading, well, I have some absolutely fantastic news for you. Today, we're going to look at a real game changer, a time-saving solution that is going to completely transform how you interact with lengthy documents.
Let's be totally honest for a second here. Are you just tired of reading hundreds of academic pages? The sheer volume of literature you have to slog through just to find, say, one specific methodology? You know the drill, constantly mashing Control+F and just hoping for the best. It's overwhelming, right? That immense time lost is literally a universal pain point in research.
It's incredibly frustrating. But our main goal today is to help you reclaim your time from all those exhausting literature reviews. We are talking about a massive paradigm shift here. We're finally moving away from that grueling manual labor and stepping right into the world of AI-assisted efficiency. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's exactly what we're covering today. 1. The academic reading problem. 2. Introducing ChatPDF. 3. Live demo. 4. Top features. And 5. Limitations.
Starting right off with Section 1, the academic reading problem.
Just look at this list for a second. Research articles, massive doctoral theses, dense books and reports, endless lecture notes. Slogging through these diverse, incredibly lengthy document types, it drains hours, sometimes literally days of your valuable research time. It's just a massive bottleneck, isn't it? It completely slows down the actual thinking and analysis part of your work.
Which brings us to Section 2, Introducing ChatPDF.
So, what exactly is it? Well, ChatPDF is an AI tool that allows you to upload a PDF document and interact with it in plain English through a chat interface. Think of it kind of like a closed-loop system. The AI acts as a dedicated reader for your specific document, providing instant answers based exclusively on the uploaded file. So it's not just pulling random, unverified stuff from the broader internet. And this perfectly illustrates how it changes the game. Instead of manually hunting through an introduction or an abstract, you can simply type a question directly to the document. Something like, "What is the purpose of this study?" And boom, the AI instantly extracts the core answer for you. Let's take it a step further. Say you ask what research methodology was used. Imagine just skipping the skim reading entirely. This specific prompt instantly extracts the methodology, laying out the exact approach the authors took without you having to skim through dozens of pages. You can even ask things like, what limitations did the authors mention? Or what recommendations did they provide? Finding specific findings or limitations suddenly becomes completely effortless. I mean, when you're reviewing dozens of research papers for a big literature review, saving this much time on every single document, it's absolutely revolutionary.
All right, let's move on to Section 3, Live Demo.
The workflow here is incredibly straightforward. Step 1, you go to the site and upload your PDF. Whether it's a paper, a book, whatever. Step 2, you wait just a few seconds while the AI analyzes the document. And Step 3, you just ask questions. You can ask it to generate a summary or outline objectives, and you get your answer right there on your screen. Now that we know how it works, let's look at Section 4, Top Features. We've got a breakdown of some core features here, like instant summaries and simple explanations. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that bottom feature. It actually cites the pages. For academic verification, this is huge. It makes double-checking your facts incredibly easy because you can jump straight to the exact page being referenced to verify the AI's answer. Continuing with these features, you get that interactive Q&A format, and it easily locates specific info. But check out that middle row. ChatPDF goes way beyond basic summaries by actually helping scholars identify crucial research gaps. You can literally just ask the AI, hey, what gaps exist in the study? And it eliminates all that tedious manual searching, leading to fundamentally better research. But of course, we need to be responsible. Let's talk about Section 5, Limitations. Let's step back from the magic for a second and ground ourselves in reality. Look at this comparison. What ChatPDF is: an efficient AI assistant to help you understand documents. What ChatPDF is not: a replacement for your own critical thinking or a source to copy-paste from. So the crucial point is this: you must never copy AI-generated answers directly into your thesis or research paper. This tool makes reading efficient. It doesn't do the writing for you. You should always verify important information by checking the original document. Remember, while this tool makes your literature reviews much faster, human intellect and your own verification remain the ultimate authority. Think of the AI as your highly efficient research assistant, but you are always the lead researcher.
Which brings us to a final thought to leave you with. How will AI transform your next literature review? Just think about the hours you could save, right? And the deeper understanding you could achieve by spending your energy on actual critical analysis, rather than just hunting for keywords. Your time is literally your most valuable research asset. How are you going to spend it differently tomorrow? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy researching.